Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today I've got one of these 2-port USB chargers that you just plug into the wall. There's a couple problems with this one. I got it from the parking lot at my doctor's appointment this morning. First of all, it was soaking wet, and secondly, it's, I think, been ran over. Just go ahead and take that off. Oh, let's get this plug out of here. There we go. Now we got it. Great. Now I've got it in here. There we go. So this is just a plastic case. It's garbage. Got the little switch here. This might be a brush. No. Boo. I think that's Chinesium. Or where's my magnet? Ew. Does not stick. Cool. Yeah. See what's in there in a minute. Let's get this out of here. Just come out. Yeah, there's a lot of glue in here. This thing is just filled with glue. Probably because it has no screws. Well, we can just pull parts out of it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's going to be copper right there. Okay, really? Let's just take it apart a little bit at a time. See how that works out. Break all those connections. There we go. There we go. I'm going to find a spot I can get under it. That is for the light. It's another piece of garbage. And we got this little circuit board covered in glue. That's going to be copper, I'm pretty sure. So we're going to pull it off here without holding that. Ah, it's stuck in there. It's not going to come out easy. Wow. Oh, that's a fuse. I was wondering what that was. Yeah, look at this. This is going to be a whole separate video just trying to get this. But we can at least look at these parts and see what we got here. Oh yeah. That's, I don't think you can see it, but I can see that that's definitely copper. Nice. Yeah. So that's copper. It should just come off there, but I'll have to dig under all this glue. It's not going to be that hard. Man. Yeah, that's going to be a whole separate video. Oh, there's another one right there. Look at that. Copper. So copper. Let's check this thing. Pretty sure this is copper. Oh, really? And if you keep playing, there we go. Joys of micro scrapping. Do you really want it? Wow. There she is. Garbage. Oh, come on. Oh, here we go. Get in here, maybe. There we go. Yeah. That's a copper. Scratchy poo. Oh yeah. Nice. These are used. I can't remember finding one this small that wasn't copper. You still got to check because I have found them. So I'll take this out to the shop and oh yeah. These are lovely lovies. Oh no, I think I got in here. I meant to go on this side. There's a little circuit board right here for the USB ports. I'll go ahead and take those apart. Oh, there's another little board. I'll take this whole thing apart. You know, I've got to get all this glue and look under there. It's not really glue. It's just like, I don't know, epoxy or something. It's not that hard to get off. But I don't want to make that big of a mess in here in the house. So I'll go ahead and take that apart. So I got that. Oh, what's in here? I forgot to look. This had screws on it. This is probably aluminum. I scraped it. It was not copper or brass. Oh man, what am I doing? I'm tightening it. It's weird how it wouldn't turn when I was tightening it. Take this one out. Drop it in the bucket. This one out, maybe. For the huge reveal. What's in here? Oh, yeah. Look at this. And it's a big... Ooh. Well, I definitely have to go figure out where that one went. No, it's right there in the corner. Won't be hard to find. Yeah. There's the magnet. Meow. Oh, well, there you go. So that other one's, get this out somehow. Oh wait, try the big boy tool. There we go. No metal left behind. Words to live by. Oh, and then he did that. There we go. Hey, get out of there. So, I think that'll be good enough. That's kind of cool. I've never seen it like that. Maybe I have. I don't remember. So, there you have it. And I'll go retrieve the other piece and recycle that. So that bunch of plastic, couple teeny tiny screws, some garbage. Oops. Well, you don't belong in there. I've got these pieces to recycle. Then I got this cool little board. Some good stuff on here. Copper. Yeah. Nice. And that's it. One 2-port USB brick. Brick broken. Thanks for watching. Copper King out.